almost crowd said because King ultimately shipping it out. The team Barcelona can't ship Dembele out. Say yeah, they won't say no, you can't do that. Ain't Dembele so agree in principle. So okay, be copy Jansen a deal now. Dembele in person deal be Barcelona. Your be answer uncle. And on case uncle, there is nothing about Barcelona way. If they are the unbe say board yeah man more no I frustrated. Also be decided okay on more be and you pay him for not playing. Ain't no more man packages no. And now PSG so ehia no. Because the PSG answer say Ken share the omo young players or more they are buying very young players this time. Ain't more build it for the future. And one of the reasons in tia omo jai name Manako. And your name no ka say all keke into omo jai no. If it had been an Mbappe, nkebe war. Yes, but our team no omo pe team Dembele Meka your friend is saying Mbappe and they know that the future is very solid. Can you understand? It's over here the young need the late thing now if they really want to put up a very young team maybe in the next 3, 4, 5 years almost about be strong force to reckon with. It's a Cavani money adding in gradually be phasing out of the club. Sana PGT. Yes, of course, say to me nyom but I say dia wo toba no younger ngaka akra na say nkokra no omoko because even say over Europe class you see and most of the clubs na to young players because the late money are there they need the young money young players at least say they are way more nyina Bernat say players are on bro 24 of course but we signings on my year. For the players, they are not over 25. At least they are young because they can play 5, 6 years for you. Meaning so what Marcia. And now Juventus cry. Say the late money are money na come. Any Dion money na no money are the late. It means that penifone wait you on air gradual on money bedding. Because you see, I don't forget say the price of the top players na esusun. It is all the top player ye penny a so or ye hit to say name. Or you hit or buy your be hit it. So Banu and be hit it per Oboka. Again, say, share the whole issue. I said Dembele. May I support it. Racket at the end of the day. Also, I offer the young. Who are true mellow. Can these guys ever enormous talent. But Racket as experienced as he is no what. Some players we are more playing when air limited. Until there is chance Obama we more chance to operate no more so be key to the future. And Rakitic achieve whatever is on the bus achieve be why ye end up born or boy dress certain it's no only problem going to PSG. It's all about money. Rakitic level our dream. It's no more shape Rakitic because the young ne at Romelo ewo. But over Dembele Diana name a bar Dembele movie. And the team nagasa attacking threat in the doors. Even as I will say Suarez omunyini free team no be started because he's the only out and out striker over Barcelona currently in the team.
Because I for Messi.
It's not a damn for I know you one, but it's not damn for the person because
Messi shared.
Yeah, because
the Parliament for 4 seasons in here. Say Kase players and season the banner a compare replacement. That's uncle.
Yeah, Ken, young chef from this angle. Oh say issues
politically are strong with him.
Yes, of course. And the political they are strong is about what he's been able to do and what he's still doing. Suarez the player yes, in the absence of Messi. In the absence of Messi, most times all the team is in a bet.
And the Rafinha crowd on bomb.
See, yeah, Suarez I said. Suarez the player. Or yeah, among all the team, you know. So we Messi Suarez is the most prolific player at what Barcelona team, not even Neymar. Say in terms of young goals, he's the most prolific. Again, all the two in China, the entire most prolific in say Suarez crowd wasn't crowd season 1 year crowd 30 goals at that. But for when you show world all over all the strikers in the world, why one or Massa from between about 30 goals? And
when Bobo no more from Nassau, that's so bad. You have that.
Yes, but Obin
to be of a cancer in the back.
Yeah.
About 2 matches,
yeah.
And Koya dropping.
Yeah.
But we about 10 matches crowding and Koya be on one.
Shepaco Casa saw 4 Dortmund Ocean. In total, the whole season was chasing. Share even Romelu Lukaku, not all Bomber United, yeah, the whole season. It's a king. It is not too easy say ubenya striker currently in this world what onya de kura 30 goals or the bema. And again no send your Barcelona ball king Messi or Shani goals that name or Shani goals that Griezmann be goal that enti the aka say number 9 adwuma be hwan any opponent defender be fight na we mo free to be say and because of the fighting power now so or can be no pin be no that is how strikers play. He might not even get the goal, but say Dumano obey because your team now ban. Second, when you man uncle yes, Dumano no be a base and maybe bonify be say goal, so there will be imbalance in the team. It is a Barcelona team, no. They are a woman's coach in the bed. Yes, me Valverde Minginini back in when they get the real chance for Valverde to prove, of course, Olympiacos won the World Cup to prove a point. Say indeed is a coach. Say me na me coach or Barcelona team ya. And can make 4-2-3-1 first. Na mahadi. And say obeko 4-2-3-1 na. Over 2 defensive midfielders. Of course, Busquets because of experience. Any Dion ebe to me abo. And say enim ho 3 no. Na wako Neymar on the left, Messi on the right, Griezmann in the middle. Over to the Griezmann are called right, Messi in the middle, but then Suarez up front. Suarez will still be a key player for Barcelona until second. Because here in Barcelona, Luis Suarez, your friend saying replacement or more. But the question is that striker Ben Awokofana at what price? On the crime 30 goals there the home out. It's not too easy. And yet too easy. And now here's Suarez. Oba Spain, no, he's the player for well over 10 years now. We're beating Messi and Ronaldo for the European Golden Boot. He's a player to score 49 goals in a single season. Mekai FIFA Club World Cup. King. Na Messi anyhow. Suarez kwaje top scorer best player. And Obeka even Champions League in 2015. The team was done until Suarez move by that season near G. And you have almost form is MNS no. Into I say they are wired that any the quality or possession okay. And no enema or do educate team no more. Okay. But Neymar banner or banner there. They are mesa sound the one in game and it will be until the okay. And yes, Neymar Becca team we want to say Barcelona kwaje Champions League. And was so weird more on the field. Can what I say? Sometimes share Tottenham need Liverpool. Say final nanka Becca say Liverpool be jiri Tottenham ego. But clearly and now kind of born now. Tottenham born until they still have to do a lot of work. It's remember Obianga as a Neymar Bantino and one no. Neymar can play, Real Madrid can score Barca 4. And they again. Until they still have to work on. Yeah.
Okay, Maso. And the father of Brenna, Yamrefi.
Then after Joe Flanagan, Liverpool win the Champions League, you know, at a Olympic Stadium in Rome. Abra Alan Kennedy Kobo Panat in the share. Abra na AS Roma. It was 2 Champions League fan and more Liverpool winning the Champions League, you know. We take you almost 20 years and almost a Bobby PM in the finals. I was at Tatoka. Almost share 80 my friend AC Milan on penalties. Abra Brad Maisa, Javi Alonso and Steven Gerrard. They shared the 3 goals. Abra na AC Milan and they can't share 3 goals. But so here Rafael Benitez. This is the second time I came wab out. I'll catch the Liverpool faithfuls. Say, on the performance na or did my Liverpool no. It looks as if some Crawford referee performance or did my Liverpool at that particular night. They come back. No PI expect no Crawford referee. Na meaning na yako. Open here for the jogging club. Juma recently. All in Liverpool ne ho. Ni nyina say open na the UEFA Champions League no. And I was the European Super Cup. Now no chima e kwanya of far so timi win the Champions League no so what the better to net die na ke net die ne wosoro na me person yehwe based on the team's play, based on the quality of players available with the teams are coaching no more the boy now they are compare Liverpool so in recent times team open here for the jogging club the GM any teams are see on the way second we 2004-2005 then Liverpool group and AS Monaco. No more group and no more Olympiacos room. No more group Deportivo La Corona room. And Liverpool were second in that group to team my friend AS Monaco. Kino free side group in ma. Their next opponent. Our Mukoshia no. Team my friend Bayern or for Leverkusen. And no Mukoshia. Liverpool show by 6 goals to 2. After Leverkusen game na ken. Their next opponent. Team my friend Juventus. Liverpool show 2-1 and number 0-0. Or the lap. And King, check the quality of that Juve team. Pavel Nedved, Mario German Cameronelsi, Alessandro Del Piero, Zlatan Ibrahimovic, Lilian Thuram, David Trezeguet, Gianluca Zambrotta, and Gigi Buffon. Ken, that was the squad of the Juventus team. Liverpool, you are free. You are free, Mona. Their next opponent, Ken, now your team a friend of Chelsea. And when she are mentioned in that Chelsea team, Michael Essien, Frank Lampard, John Terry, Paulo Ferreira, Ashley Cole, Peter Cech, Didier Drogba, Joe Cole, Damien Duff, and the likes. And they can't check the quality of the Juventus team. Now check the quality of the Chelsea team. Now after how many years you know free bono, and to the Milan team in the finals. AC Milan on the ball finals. And King, she Liverpool team no check AC Milan team no, and as a team so almost on the way. Any come fast you almost free. No Liverpool goalkeeper friend do declare that pony.
Silver Sports.
No more branch friend Steven Fernand any boat 2. King no more Jimmy Traore on number 3. And no more branch friend Sam Happier and Jimmy Carragher 4 and 5. So by midfielder. No more branch friend Steven Gerrard. No more branch friend Luis Garcia. O more branch friend Harry Kewell. O more branch friend Javi Alonso and no more Miran Barros e wenim. Winning squad at Liverpool. And the boy from the group stage and the baby PM in the finals of that particular tournament. She team omu boy after 3 goals and no that fem no. Can almost sorry buy omu beti 3 goals no. Did I impost Marcos Evangela de Moraes Akafu as number 2. Paolo Maldini. Omu ba branch I Alessandro Nesta. Only just stand 4 and 5. In midfield they have Ivan Gerardo Gattuso. And a more branch of Andre Pello. A more branch of Ricardo Kaka behind Hernan Crespo. And then a branch of Andriy Shevchenko. And a more Clarence Seedorf on the left side as a Mazzella rule. Into Ken. So checking Liverpool players. Now checking AC Milan players here. And it is a Milan team. No more John Thomason on the bench. No more branch of Manuel Costa on the bench. And a Liverpool. Educo Guema. 3 goals no consider in the first half. On ba second half na no bet here and can on penalties. Obi who kon Liverpool fast so on bet the Champions League. So that was the Liverpool team under Rafael Benitez. Atatoka did the Champions League. Ken, young Liverpool team last season did the Champions League. Nyanya proper comparison. So what Liverpool last season no more grouper. That rest are be grade Napoli, Paris Saint-Germain, and Umuka Motor so 4. So after that, move from the group stage. And I can Ombesia FC Porto, Ombesia Bayern Munich, Ombesia FC Barcelona, and Ombebo Tottenham Hotspur. It is a check it on the way. In terms of teams at Liverpool, no boy, so we check it by the standard of that teams and what those teams are here in the Champions League. Obeche Liverpool team we say almost here team sakese because Ken so what team that and that's 2005 team now so we share team my friend Juventus, Chelsea and AC Milan. These were 3 teams that almost on the way, but this particular team Ken almost here Bayern Munich 5 times, almost here Barcelona 5 times, almost here FC Porto 2 times. In 2004 here Juve ajibienu Chelsea ajibako. AC Milan aje enson. In the case so check it or compare the 2 teams in terms of the performance in the Champions League 12 against 10. It is go by the kind of teams 2 teams in this year under Rafael Benitez and under Jurgen Klopp. Obama team omo nei the teams are on their way to the finals of the Champions League or Wanda Metropolitano no Ken Sadio Mane mu team no Asia team sakese. But so we check it in terms of quality of players. One team for teams boy on the way and got to teams on their route to Atatürk Stadium in 2005. And Ken, in the finals, they played against 7-time winners AC Milan. That time no more decision there. And it wasn't a Milan team, no normal team. A Milan team Ubetim ya to dia compare any first 11 beer in world football in the last 50 years. So much quality.
Silver Sports.
So much quality. So what Kafune Maldini that two and three. You have about the greatest right back and the left back in the game. Ed have been coming in fan. And check the Liverpool back four. Okay. Me yeso so obi an kai 7 final. Me wo gidie pa se Jimmy Traore obi an kai no. Jimmy Carragher, edipa bebre be kai no because of Liverpool chey and oye panditry. But in terms of performance as compared to Yastam, in terms of performance as compared to Alessandro Nesta, clearly mismatch.
Silver Sports.
Clearly mismatch. But so checking Liverpool team almost the ball Tottenham was playing in the final. Mane, Mo Salah, Firmino, Fabinho, Henderson, James Milner. Now Baba Shet, Virgil van Dijk, Obersha Brante Fen Matip, Osha Brante Fen Arnold, Osha Andy Robertson with Alisson Becker. It tells you the difference between the current trend and the old trend. Liverpool in terms of so almost yet teams on the way to the final, you give it to the current trend. But in terms of quality of and the standard of players, they're not players now yet. A dear no magic, performance no mdiama, consistent player no mdiama. And again, what they've been able to achieve in the game of football, you give it to Rafael Benitez. And the Liverpool team was an ordinary team. Ken, net team, again, net did your own baby on their road to the final. But Ken, omoye the unthinkable. Omoye idea air team say basi with the UEFA Champions League final. They were underdogs. Obian him say Liverpool need Tottenham Hotspur airborne Champions League final wonder. Liverpool were outright favorites based on performance and on Modiama, based on history and pedigree and on Monya or Champions League. But Ken, Sir Rafael Benitez say after 14 years, na Liverpool asamba back about the Champions League. Jurgen Klopp year Juma Champions League onye, European Super Cup onye, or buy our boy Europa Cup final. League taking just a point when we lose to Manchester City. And he probably be born in the Akai at the Jurgen Klopp. But Ken, in reality, if you are talking about quality, the standard, and now we hear comparison now, players are open here, fellow Rafael Benitez is here. What they to the players are no Kurano. Now the fat Tottenham Hotspur. Now for Liverpool, the see. Now you player by player, Ken. You give it to Rafael Benitez second. Ne more de boss any so Timmy Boya or the team of Liverpool the Champions League in 2005.
Me that's it, Andy. Bayern Murphy and Vincent Bakobi no answer. Albert Boko there.
Ken Bibia.
Oh, great, okay. 3 matches also person room kakra.
Yeah.
We the big three.
Yeah.
Anopa me so say na ba ko na for pa. As good, as of folk etwa.
Yeah.
And the Kotoko. Then there are 3 opponents.
Yeah.
Also the end for pa.
Ken, I say you
want to be kind.
Oh, let me making it clear, sir. From where I sit, factors I may consider now. Me put your hearts to full.
At the weakest.
That's the weakest.
And the exactly. Kotoko na 3. As
And next 3 games. Has Nedi Weekes.
Has na for pa.
And Ken Derby, Menya has never. The Americans say, oh, compare.
The DNF for me to make.
Because I mean, I'm here Kotokonia. I'm here Kotokocha.
DNF.
I go there, didn't has. At what didn't has. And that is the reality. Can we them mobile?
The not 3 no. Has nef.
No, and the often. Any match often.
I say we
Can we them mobile?
Well, Ken, and there are so many factors that you will consider. I mean, currently, sir, first of all, you look at it from the playing body. Because then mostly a decided 2 teams, they separated 2 teams now. And if you decide to pick at individual players, Hearts of Folk and Ashkoda, many sure say I can say pick man to man, Hearts of Folk, even Hearts of Folk fans no crab to me say there cost no between no team ne Ashgood or enough quality over the Hearts of Folk team. So picking from the goalkeeping department now he'll be Ben Mensah and a Richmond Aya. Between Robert Dabo and Frank Boateng, consistency. Because so far from the NC competition now, as good the boy have seen now. The other post for as good has been Frank Boateng. And Frank Boateng not on your household name in Ghana football. Say a both players, a both Mudin Yama for Aji or Moswama for a bomb and Semamoma. He wasn't a goalkeeper who was well known when it comes to the Ghana League, as compared to Subit Ben Mensah Moniad. Because Richmond Ayu from Wafa, Namanfo in Nekakra, even the national team, the national under 23. But after Sir Frank Boateng had the opportunity to be imposed for the Ashgold team, no, were taking over and were living up to expectations. His general performances command, because he'll be a Ken Techima, 11 wonders, na no all kakra, and obey the Namu Kotoko kakra. But when you post, when even the Confederations Cup, Ashgold for enough confidence on Uncle Signing goalkeeper be added. Between or no, Ben Mensah and Richmond, I'll definitely go in for Frank Boateng. On you be a what you think, but in terms of reflexes, in terms of his command imposed, in terms of his ability to stop the shot, and I never come and need boy and handling. On second, when you talk about goalkeepers and handling, what's when a goalkeeper over stop a shot, over born watching, but baby over handle ball na kwa koton, it creates another goal opportunity for your opponent. But Frank Boateng major strength and handling. After some ball na ban, so baby over push ball na koton, a koton position ask for defense, but you are reorganizing no defending. So from the goalkeeping department, I'm still away going for as good goalkeeper. You move on to the defensive set. So oh shit, team as good. Roland Amuzu, and Eric Donko. Had to folk left back in William Denji. Brilliant player. But only experience in Amuzu. And only experience in Eric Donko. Donko formed at a particular point in time Okotoko. After say Isaac Amponsa by Emmanuel Usubae, Daniel Dakwabae, and they have a issue kaka. And the man if you Kotoko. But of course good no. Check his matches. The attacking threat of Eric Donko and their mama for Bonabason on Lusu that attributes. And definitely say open left back. I'm not sure you consider William Denji because William Denji boss Marcelo Bonibi. Yen koyenim, yen cross it, yen boy attack. But I also know Eric Donko speciality, not the experience that's our boy. From the left back position, definitely I'm going for a Donko. Right back position, what there will be hard to folk. Also, Kwekwa Makuni Bobo. Attack Sissoko Piemo, or Ashgold. When you are playing time because I'm Wakubo Jana. But what has to folk there between Christopher Bonny and Fatal Mohammed, there's no way I'll come close to any of the Ashgold players. Because since he competition there, boy, Bonny was exceptional. His attacking abilities, his defensive work, Fatal Mohammed in your introduction, Captain Fantastic. Into right back position, but hard to folk. But center pen, I'm not sure this is a chroma you're talking about a leader in defense. You can talk about a leader in defense where you are Jeffrey. Richard Osajima. From the NC competition to the champion to the Confederations Cup. And you who his mental toughness. I say I enjoy a player on because of a guy. I didn't want one thing and I dare we play be a suit me. And we see the cast after sales go to PM work to against Ankuna Guyana from inside, not players in the spirit about from. But on my case, look, we've been through all this from Brekum Chelsea to Kotoko and now to us going now fail you be fail. And on the field, open ball playing centre back Bakupa Okluma, Utini Diabe two Tamana is Richard Osajima first and some more boy the other defender in terms of centre back position.
Are you comfortable about it, sir?
Ajo.
Meaning, sir, we see
Ken, Kroma, Obi anyhow. Closest, Ebi Apem da Costa. Obetimi de Ebi Habiba Beno. Gani Yukaka. And have to folk Mohamed Al-Hassan.
Because some ball playing central defenders, they do very unprecedented qualities in the work and say. They are enjoy comfortable, but you'll be able to pass it. And I do the ball to be running.
Ken, enemy. One, how
I didn't want to be South because when you all run away the ball, I don't think it's better than Habib.
Ken, Ajo is the defender of two strikers.
And then
That's how they go. No, Ken.
He passed better than all of them.
Yes.
Or Abuche was switching.
Oh, born. And you're comfortable. And you don't get that from defenders. That comfort on the ball. Ajo Piabo. But Opiache Habib. Opiache Habib. Da Costa, yeah, dear. But Ajo Piache da Costa. So, Ken, from that point, you know, it will be a direct partnership between Onini Mohamed Al-Hassan. It's a defense in there. Has to folk being a two. between Oni Mohamed and Al-Hassan. And when you talk about ball playing center back, it's not just your ability to pass, the vision behind the pass. Like David Luiz. I say, the vision to pass long, create a chance. So I wish I could first goal almost say against Kano Pillars now. It was a long cross from Da Costa. That is the ball playing center back. I can't want them. Long cross. It's a nice way piano kit to be or easy options review. From far. Because Ghana ne or say Ghana against Benin. That long cross or long pass from Kasimada. And then I can't want them no. It's not just the short passes. The long ones also count. And when you say Jumana defender, you contributing to attack now. Never be your defensive role actually one sweat saying. And I Joe very, very, very energetic. Now who are very rigid. Obet me about rough. And when the game called for smooth game, I do it's between only Mohamed Al-Hassan. I'll pick Mohamed Al-Hassan in House of Folk defense over Richard or Robert Hado. But can over few House of Folk ain't nebi. Say Mohamed Al-Hassan. Aminu Al-Hassan. Benjamin Futu. Omar Manaf for Odi. But Sam Miensan. A bien where Ben James are coming. Latif and Nabila Pia Makati. House of Folk for me and Sano won't feel. And I know House of Folk fans will testify. Between Aminu Mohammed, Benjamin Futu, and Omar Manaf. Sa three in the middle. James are coming. Latif and Nabila Apia Makati.
It depended the open. Between the three, it depended the open.
Ken,
and it depended the coach the open.
Ken, okay.
You call me your coach, me fa Manaf.
Over why Makati?
Me fa Manaf for the Nafa, I can place me, because of the flag. So what I say, and he will grab on now, or turn the ball here never be free.
But Ken, that's good.
And I make us a so far, who you three, our middle. It depended your coach, no person away.
Oh, yeah, okay.
So what I say, into me, didn't become a
man. But Ken, from where I sit, James are coming. Only Aminu Mohammed and Benjamin Futu never press. And I come and cook 2 of them now. DM. Good. Then Latif and Abila. On about 8. Now Pierre McCarthy about 10. The whole. You Jina. And came between Pierre McCarthy and your mama Manaf. Duties as a supporting striker or the player in the whole transition. I'm not sure say you bet me argue. Obama Manaf is a wonderful player. I'm just hoping that English footballers no more started near high poor moana ejana dum no ebim beka boy. But in terms of actual performance on the field, command in midfield, can Apia McCarthy born no bomber as good no. It's just impressive. Together with Latif and Nabila. Now they are coming connect with FIFA. See they are back to commit food home puna. There is a chance on to some of the commit fooders. Because they say I'm not say. Someone from Pone about to 8.
I'll go for this.
Silver Sports.
One say ya common say be from last season but Omba Kruma, maybe we will.
Can they run the show?
So be.
The last time I can the last time I got to come back.
Yes, sir, Omon the dear pan a draw. Either support to Kobe show.
Bear to go home.
Omonia best crown your draw. Into the person on be sure and answer and wasn't going.
Can the last
I saw to me said he see come wasn't. So what I saw more bound say Omon the PPP. But maybe one is out.
Okay, fine.
And I'm in costed you
one. That's how it is.
Because my costed you most several times.
I can't run it simple.
They run the show. Can the last time I go see
a show that
okay, can
body ever you know. It almost best on the show my agenda your crap I draw.
I can't tell this I have a commander no
That's how it is. The last
person is be an the crime many times because see common sense. Say me see who more yes
naturally.
Ghana person here. Or quite be almost comfortable or meeting team be on mission here. But also normally they were almost 60 and a high on the city alone. And said almost ya Joe Modin, but be on the Copia and so more Yamayo was so much Ghana.
They met Kotoko in Accra. They on the show. Almost a there be on the Rancho.
Ken number 1-1. That's last year.
Remember, how soon I would me
Like,
go
you never know how, like, you are crying,
Okay. Last
There
year.
was a hand. Oh, ba. Go for
Okay.
and only a team almost lose games. I will feel. And you had it so make once the amount Nadia has a for now. Oh, God, I did Kuma bomb. And I'm crying much as I almost a protocol in my house. A young no. Yeah, for me, 5 years, no more lose game or other. And then my house, I feel do, baby, now I only a more credits review. But there be a Pia McCarthy way or more about my idea draw.
Ken.
It doesn't say so man, I draw.
Okay, fine.
To a money, only on back.
Okay, Ken.
Why?
Oh, president could fork out now. Matter the Okana. President could fork out.
Maybe pa.
Nay, Atiman Bedunu Kwame Kunti in a ball medal. After the game, say you normally don't get this from coaches. But that's Sika Kono say he will prefer his team to play like the Asgold midfield.
Because in the second half, the Kotoko ball.
No, but yeah, can't you coach a kind?
The coach has some
Coach Asamoah and it's on record.
Asamoah.
I say he will prefer his midfield to play like the Asgold midfield. Because one.
No, they are
Because Ken.
Political.
Ken one.
Champions, also open the
Okay, Ken one. Say no kind.
One.
Or say his defenders did not trust his midfielders. That was the game your boy and Naman for said, the way no Kwame continue. It was against us good. They gave Kotoko a better S3.
Still draw.
Okay. Eyo Kumasi. No, it's Kumasi that we are talking about. Omu try Kotoko S3 one. Coach you say his midfield, his defenders have no trust in midfielders. You know, so Omu Jebo na no pejama kusi strikers na so. And it's a fact. As good midfielders, they are just exceptional. I say first me can Aduana made
For the ultimate, kwa me for the CCC, one I bet in the question.
well, the obet me battle pie Justice Blay, James Akamenko. But he said the obot could create Samuel Frimpong. And on to Latif and Abila and on to Apia Makati.
But just
Have you ever seen that
just village you
don't tell me say a Blay James Akamenko.
because all you overstart.
No, make us. It would depend on Obia.
Yes, as go.
I'm a defensive midfielder. But a bit Gina Nipana and then start.
for the so be at the HB.
Oh, yeah. Blay exceptional. But Akamenko social. But between Omone hearts there, midfield need a straight away as good. Understanding communication, flair, tackling, possessing football, they are far ahead of us as a folk midfield. A growing midfield has midfield that they need time. Michel Sapon, Amos are there. Mismatch. The bright spot in the house of folk team is Michel Sapon. But open left wing and now Baz go now never compare Amos are there. I just want to say Amos are there. Adele is ahead of Michel Sapon. House of folk most of the time. Either some ball being K Jr. and also Bobo Joseph Esau. Maybe a Kofi Koza. Esau will get a place. I'll pick Esau over Mark Ajekum. Now the Safi Muni again anymore. To wish him year pa a defense one a house of folk near 2. Now attack on my baby now 1.
Silver Sports.
And she as go be a 8.
7. So 8 players, yes.
Now say na 3.
Yeah. Defense 2. That is Fatal Mohammed on the right and a Mohammed Al-Hassan. Midfield me more because they have 4-3-3. Now attack me Joseph Swaba. And it's factual. So even as good team can watch, even look at the bench. Options in the bench. Also has to focus on some Kwalaka Kraba. And I will shout to say Charles McCarthy moving in the Mukakra. We say Randy Avoka has to focus for new player. Biomena Omogen Hope Emmanuel Andy Moson and Nemu. Young players are now coming into the House of Folk team. But as good bench in a mature players. Because attack see Aben Nam Kotoko from Liberty, Aben Nam Kotoko says so as good. Give him an opportunity and he will deliver. On say as good what Brent Emmanuel say. Emmanuel Usu rather. Emmanuel Usu. Young boy. Kotoko coach he has a career in a PK boy. And he's a super star. Obi say Amos and Kroma Munira as good. So as good team looking. And let's not forget their Brazilian international. Marco Silva no Marco Fanamba. Also no crime and Fanamba. Because I know never for
the ball to say.
Marco Silva.
Manu said the ball.
Marco Silva near J type in Libya, but we are skillful.
Or skill.
Our skill. On a near day, or you shooter, or take, or cura, or snap pass. But on haunting,
One more day.
and
What
haunting,
is scratch to say?
or height, or chain, cacra. Then you move to chain, or left footed, or but to bunny me.
But we didn't feel on board
Or coaching about 4-3-3, Davy. Or about 4-3-3, to about James are coming, could just in front of the back four. No, a ball, you see Fanabila on the right, no, a ball, no on the left, into an Anabila swap. Into the room, I can. But then yet 10 I would not strike a Chilibia. And make for
what is only Bopa?
the ball and who and the Americans only ball. Only ball. The ball I'm here in your but only ball.
Okay, that is a house good team. I can Watson. Current performance. You actually players here. Look at current performance. And current performance as a unit, collective, as good winning chance. We also talk about low class teams. But as good is playing in the Confederations Cup. And we are winners of the tier 1. I had to folk Bobby.
The one can you now just still be a general?
No, Ken,
3 games.
the only part.
JM Brian has
The only part had to focus advantage over as good and your field of the field. The passion and the fans behind has to focus.
And history.
The name has to focus.
and if it's a history, then they know they
But on the field, no. And one factor, one reason you show. The has to folk name has a book Kumasi Ejediachi.
Silver Sports.
Has your mutimi dumja Ejediachi. Has for the mutimi Beseja Ejediachi. Has for supporters. Or makes me fear and panic about Kruma. Granted. But on the field, no. It didn't the whole. As has the world knows they can do something great. Oh, Kumasi. But currently, as we speak, they can't know where close. And that is why I will say, and again, say, I can say, you have player to player, Kotoko as good. You have player for player. Kotoko ne had to folk now. Kotoko were ahead than had to folk. But Kotoko as good gap, no, a better kit will be based on options and opinions, ne favorites. See, I can say, as good ni Kotoko combined 11. Maybe I can say, maybe me style of football say. Maybe me style of football say. That will be the reason of separation between individual players. And you're convincing gap say we the group position we are. Kotoko player with him say, oh yeah, their chance go play by margin. And your players can crave in America say, but by no reason I will be between that on my compare. And came with a twelve. There is no introduction. Only young introduction here. Because last year, I wouldn't fancy I'm on Club African more bobo. Now say who to be bought more than this second. Yes, to me spend a normal defense. And you look at the performance of Etoile and in the CAF Champions League, and you had meet me I say what they had to focus to two almost. Any match no because here can house no Etoile who no to check house the
Silver Sports.
Etoile who no our on the banner. The fear factor Etoile possesses because in terms of fear factor as good there.
It is our game, so here's Zakaria Sima. First game as good, second game as before Etoile. Was important to Etoile there. Ube Sisa or more than Bebo game way more than concentrate on Etoile.
Ken as good near starter. But house of food has they need to be doing that.
But it's very important.
It's important.
It was important to the Etoile.
No.
But all two games.
No.
Instead of solve our games way. Memphis second team in more way. Member players or more person of fitness about. The several can more fina or more about we here minutes. Memphis more way. Now you tackle the main one.
Ken.
Etoile.
As good cap that's all. Had to full cap that's all. Etoile Champions League qualification
And
to
of
the
course,
next stage.
Etoile is good important.
Good. But fun say Etoile important. But so Lusu as good now say hasa. You generate enough confidence to meet Etoile. But so say as good. Now ko Lusu hasa. Your supporters limit me actually before the Etoile game. It can affect the moral psyche in camp. All the 3 matches are very, very important. Because the ultimate more than shall go that the confidence will grow. What was also hasa? Ebe man musu kesiye kra. Because the house game the presidential cup. And send the enemy confirm from the presidency. Nana to Beba Park. Imagine say has about Kotoko Kumase at the presidential cap now. How would the news be ahead of your game against Etoile?
Maybe sir, Maswo.
Yeah, okay.
News invest.
Yeah, or the very, very, very interesting dynamics, and I know better me bo abaso for that. Very, very interesting. Back in there, me so me money. Me feels as I already gave in a heart to then more way than the 3.
Now, what's that person for?
Debbie and Yefo.
She says, Secretary, what is so many hackers for?
Debbie, my mentor.
Interior teams and everybody.
Don't let us forget.
How's the name?
Debbie and Yenokrasa. On my point, me casa the all can in but me
how's the no such
yeah, so saying, you know.
As I go to the yeah,
I go then they send their day today. Yeah, so say it what. Because what? Yeah. So at what the no, a competitive match. It's the most important, but you ain't wait in. It is the most important match because that match, you know, a bit to match Kotoko, baby on Mobeko. It is on Beko when you man also on Bebomachi. Pay the results are you being. Can't say what I say. It's a critical match. The other two, no, are friendlies. It's work how important they are. Etoile the end. It's the preparation need be piano. Etoile the end. Say I understand. So that is the most important or the critical.
Who your coach?
Yeah.
It just always some B team players.
Silver Sports.
Players are going to be more almost like a second team players.
Me because me team nyanya cohesion. Into a good pass at these 2 matches. No be a me the same level of it. Has Bema Kotoko the bigger level of performance than Etoile. Because has him Kotoko better than Etoile. Again, Ken had it. Results are House of Folk Enya or Kumasi and I 2 teams in that is not true. Irrespective of house team they send here TBR, the results on Kumasi and what they're able to do in Kumasi is better than what Etoile does here. Oh, Debbie. Oh, na say Kotoko show me home and away. After that, and I say leg in the Chrome boy has 1 year. And say baby, don't let us forget. The Americans that results are has Enya. And Nyoma has to me ye Kumasi. A bigger than what Etoile and as good a ye Kumasi. Is that not true? In any given day, again, the man has for game no when say their supporters too will be there. So on the day it will not be red alone. The rainbow colors will also be there in their numbers. You can't the level of intimidation no it will form when it is House of Folk. Kim names all here. But as go to me be you be 40,000 who intimidate them, you be show me. You don't bomb to me results. Because I have good heading so being a result, but has no results or has or more by say, you be far results no more. Is that not true? Etoile Bahada. Yeah, the last time normally you could go free more. I think the semi-final stage now bad for time. Could go call home somebody one was a could go lose 1-0. Normally some be okay could you could have 2 penalties one yes. It Etoile themselves have been here almost so unpicking win. That's a whole 3 teams now. Accra Hearts of Folk results or Munya Kumasi. Any performance, any memories of the Amaya Kumasi no. A more match no. A more crab.
And this is the year when they say, oh, we have 2 teams in the Ansana Bakumana.
Yeah.
We will be a more thing. CCA because they can be history and we will be a more thing.
Yeah.
As go first. House second. Etoile third.
Yeah.
And no Muna say, dear Merepa. A woman demand Kotokoni has.
And Yamre,
competition as good or more dear chromo.
Yeah.
Now here to a more level.
Yeah, Ken. Competition. Yeah, competition. Yeah, your boy had your more free. One he has it free. Eh, Kotoko on penalties and Kotoko soon a champions. The house is no lose. Because Karela no mko years go free, one go home. The house beat them hands down or cry down not true. And in the zone they are with her house top that zone, is that not true? No, okay, yeah, scenario no. The same Kotoko team now on Ujina for Akron on your Bebono. On a KK half out on penalty, so the game ended in a draw. Because he Bob ball not saying on penalties. The penalty is only to show say why not be him. By Yemfa penalty goal in can't their players and our team national. So the game ended in a draw. And House of Folk, it was a game. We Andy Munina they praised House of Folk said they dominated. It was a game they should have won. They played Kotoko. And when Kotoko beat Hearts, they won the championship. And as go the team on Nokia as go out without not winning this competition. It was Karela, Ewa Boase. And the same Karela was beaten hands down by House of Folk in Accra. In the house in here too cheap.
Silver Sports.
Team at Oshana, Okoje championship no enye too easy. But in order the most important match to ade no. As good your mo de ne say omo ne kotoko no eba friendly say omo upper hand most times. Eba preseason friendly. But eba competitiveness no ha it is always behind a problem.
Okay.
Meaning so what I say. It's all those matches koto very important for Kotoko. Oh Bash Gold, oh Bohas. Now they share tour. This is one of the best preparations I can do. Bakra House of Folk game ne there. Ken and Nyoma a real man sana House of Folk Nicola. But Yashmin nam we ordna till some bomb match. Hey, you know, a man you and almost supporters who will be there.
Okay.
And the stadium no quite red and rainbow. Some of them in out them. It's a money you
know, but you're not forced to be in command.
Okay, and
I'm watching and program about so you're training. Okay. 3D apostle. I'm not a circle. Nami and Sapper this year. 5 years and 4 years and all Kokana Mastan person. And 2 years. 3 days. 3D apostle and 1 echo. There's open you can call the attorney hall. There's on Pesu be about. And it right.
Okay. That's one number 1 has good number 2 has to book number 3.
Hey, what's about your general?
I can't 2 Martin is here you got to go. Ye as good he has a boom. Cry no mukakushia and ye match get one. You combined the 3 things
about 3 games and a rate here. Dear Empire Tour. Dear Tossumuni as good. Dear Empire has.
You are talking of it, what is Sahel? 8 players in the Tunisian national team. Ye more for no Mkushi no mammo. We were eliminated in the round of 16 in the Cup of Nations. They have 8 players and they are coming with the great Fawzi Benzati on the bench. He has seen it all in African football. Cup Winners' Cup, Champions League, Confederation Cup. Can be African football. No, yeah, they can't say coach BJ. They are coming here with Fawzi Benzati. The last teamer, Emma Kotoko, and Timian Coleman in the Africa campaign was Al Hilal, a North African team. And can North African team be a 2 next year? Can wouldn't high importance and the kind of quality, the standard of the ball memoir. Into a what is a hell, baha, can in Yasa Yasemre, who carry Marabimu, now who Fawzi Benzati, now who Ben Labimu, now who Katri Dama, can let it be as settled.
And D.
Can it is settled. And it is at what is a
And D.
Can.
When I saw was an kind of be robots. You can join for bones and robots.
Okay, you know,
come on, some days a more. Come to be a more because as a more can already you. Then came Chroma some day. Okay, we'll be some matches at the end. I make I want to come Chroma. Yeah, this guy's got so mad. You okay, Mr. Why you Mudino?
The man if you do carry Arabi in Africa. Okay.
Oh, Crow.
There be no Chroma in
the Chroma so much.
King Africa champion.
Crow. Play a better bit to feed the Chroma. Okay. Africa Champions League, the money Kumasin Kwao. And I got to go now, boy. Okay, there be. See, yeah, come and got to go near to a match and what's a man. I think I won't outdraw the Aviciano. What's see? Okay, it is always a minute. In the king. At one is a hell, Baha, oh, Pia, had to put up water to the private tomb, say it is bigger than their match. Okay, not yet. In the king, at one year, oh, Pia, and Ken, oh, Ben Yessica at one Martin matter how to forgive the market. So, Kotoko, you know, declare gross now. Young Jessica, baby, near Jessica, baby, has food him, near fan compare how Martin and man is so big. In the king, that is for the one. As good. The last time, House of Folk. League 10 years. As good have won it. And teams are was here. No better, I say, tier 1, tier 2, no kinds of American. The better teams are in this particular area. In the king, and he across the best Henry. And in terms of quality, in terms of consistency in recent times, and as league, as good with a second, has to focus on that 12. The both tier 1, tier 2, no, as good the tier 2 winners, how to focus. They were in the semi for those 2 tournaments. Oh man, it's all kind in terms of the recent time, 2 teams, they had the performance. I saw in the competition, it is as good. Unistar Academy, hey, how to folk for him.
Kotoko eyi heart of folk efrim Karela dia na maso le ka so mko cha good no Karela omo cha heart of folk omo heart to se omo 1 million ha say with that penalty by omo bo say it can say who ka I go ni heart of folk in recent times I go that performing better than them now come to quality and ken homo African homo sa call bodro wawe about the show home about the body and next game into they are playing in Africa competition performance and they don't qualify yet. Canberra Park no na be check quality no. Obe the ball first 11. Obe do am bench no referee. Manu ma ate bench na no 100 simple. And ken Yasimi tie obe dia tum say manu wan dey gina how to folk left side wa o ma wie unya sin clan there. Omo be ye o passa because the omo ti a show omo ti na wie no. Omo hia manu ma oba ha na nse ya obi ahu say do ti be ru ani cho no baba ya na. Manu man resi urefi David Abangna ono so wa good ho. Yes, David Abangna mu na resi ho. It came in terms of quality there. E you kuma se na obo ase na se ankata de obefa no.
3 games now. They try to here.
Can me tell me send me go to.
What time so?
I came me after I get 2 minutes.
Me be interview.
Not back at 2 minutes ke.
Me interview nti na me first o mato. Na fa so brave.
In the came. So I good team, you know. I decided with over the set Frank Watkins ahead of Richmond. I decided I'll pick Richmond in there. And now Busa Blay and then Akamenko. It depended the coach be our purpose will be used. The Blay the Berman Akamenko the Berman. As I'm our passing range the account. As I'm our control in midfield the account. But Obinso how pound who are then near in midfield as number 6. And you definitely go in for Justice Blay. And lastly, now we'll come about the running of the show. Kotoko Boasia after Luga the chef as good 1-0. Yakubu Neshe. After that, Kotoko Boasi Bia Omuntimi winning. As good ball Boasi Kumasi Bia Omuntimi winning. The only thing that will separate them the neutral ground. Copy one kind. It was an emphatic 3-1 for Boasi Ashanti Good. 3 and you 2. Okay. It became. So we talk about the quality of those team players. As good work, Kotoko work. Kotoko be as good with experience and consistency in there. But in terms of quality there, Ken, o pedia you kumase ni oboase na binya sa nyem ni nanti.
Je you kumase oboase and to this.
And Ken, so we compare us to Kotoko. Ken, so we compare us to folk in Kotoko. The last 3 games, or the enfant 4. Has a 1. Kotoko asem yensa. The last 4 games between Heart of Folk and Kotoko. And Yakuba effort to crowd their king as a liar.
Let us say Andy. You're very sure. But many Jimmy for me do come out. Yasmi, and your chance. Yasmi, Boko, dear.
Boko was.
So much attention. You just want to why.
Oh, thank you. I'm going to say you to some start now. Will be an house and no cry any has about any fupa, but a much no boy in 3 million fupa. Say about Africa. And here no crown come till I go Africa, but go Africa to Africa. As it defeat me and Sunny now. Fupa, Michelle Sapona, your practice 1 friend, our choir, you could uniform. I'm no go and a book. In the Sunday, Yamia my back. Because more cassette has 10 years near Angelic, but as go Adibi. Has 36 years since Kotoko Africa. As goes to Africa. You see, current African Cup has to hook now. And say, I can't leg in our car. Kotoko Jibina say, as go to 10 years has and get the house in here. Africans to the last more just say, I have Africa. As go crowd Munji with a say. Yes, and you know, and yet, now greatest Mokasa for the greatest at the end of Moka. And they don't Kotoko Cup behind the young boy, and break Chelsea. Because Champions League money zomba, Brukun Chelsea ko what, Kotoko what. I'm sorry, present a monk has a for your Champions League money, but back 4, any other one. Kotoko money on 1 pet, a buy a yen, any answer this back up. Oka comes a mountain is back up, no, speak up and Kotokagu. So that's about, I don't know. Ya the Champions League aba ya ba kwaje ya the Confederation ba ya ba kwaje ya the Super Cup ya ba kwaje ka say money Super Cup say amotam no sisi and ya ka no so mo ko fa free no ha say na year 10 years ha say gele ntina mo form no sisi mo ko the greatest nyina and 36 years cup no mo je no mo ko the greatest
and the young classes will be a Jacob never the greatest. Umbro no see your top pass see your top when so yes market yeah Nike Adidas Umbro and the you need BI your body DBI isa so Umbro just no we quite amuya bridge deba and to say back on say supporters no pay blue into ya blue amom supporters no pay yellow ya mo ya sa international company ya isa supporters no pay red in white in ya mo company be na brother Manchester for because ya Liverpool ya just cry green na effect mu ya bre ya ma ya to ya ho na ya sa so chapter 9 ya me advance Saturday be sia den oh dia na se and boss ya sister na ya oba ha no unique nationalist ke no friend no Adelaide Nyame adma Saturday by 31st our rain Saturday say was CCC Winners Chapel International Ayija it was CCC actually hono ma nti Nyame adma 9 am nyina we call no ya na akọ support no say o si jimi am for ha won o si jimi am for ha nti ye ti omo na ne pa mo ne aba no so na ye
dia me for director reforms ono so no ne papa Nyame adoma o China 1 week no the papa so da from Timampong reforms among the soldier adumwa reforms you did not have a deal bia na be jana bia so ti me kama ne papa 1 week near Monday and your reforms e dia no Salenko now to say champion we grow your MPO
yeah
but we are
MP to be normal
compete pa
you manage na nsem bi me
obesi akobi ma
this time there bia na ye betwen so kakra ko mekọ ankasa abre master tech campaign na enye
omo be hu nchen ana
so far no me guso ye campaign so obi antoma na nado na mo santoma John Dramani Mahama ontoma Dr. Papa Kwasi Ndum ti campaign me ye massive pa ni patre no mo ntomo mo mina
za ba onka
MP4 na de
Salenko ya se ababiem ejinya me kampala na be chere 3D posse nyame adomo chena dwumadi na ba na ya ka chere mo se on pick up forms akokas me FMCC ya na ko pick up forms ade Salenko jijina mo na the last time we bi wa we podcast ni bi
so far no me nya enye bi bet me nka ne say me observations no good
observations any day
for omo aye training omo no omo bam ye training omo no obia ensa no okay 3D epoxy no na me sensem bi ye mehi na mpesen ka meka mo sports panelist for no aya omo nsusu omo ye hwehwe ni mu too much I said ana ya hyesei ana ya jiwe ya ji unka ho susu fa ho ruam tin no omo bo na brochiri ko ana ye ya jesei ana ye jesei ana eben kan ko ye jesei we wato kan ye jesei woni mato wo he o ye hwehwe Since you been back to 3D epoxy.
Okay.
So for him say adia uhune say unia Salenko media chire bia na chese ye. Aside me branding na me branding no me hwe say ade bia media chire no.
Ye de Salenko be ye bia.
Ye papa. So 3D no amanfo astarte. Omo aye training omo no omo aye mo adwene no. Omo nso astarte ebu asima fine. Omo nso ye omo campaign na brabefa funds.
Yes,
ebi nso yes ade but wasua ben ye wade bi se wo de wusua wi a ye expert ansa na wa kire
mo nkura na fa asase to
ya home te kakra odo ye wo ba bi e ton dokon obi ane ne dokon ba obi anso ne de obeto fine be ye ni ya introduce you and ye hwese mo ya kire mo ade no mo be perfect ansa na mo 19 sine se mo de mo niema be ko abontene we ade ye wa ha sei no we kura na China for de omo machines aba ye de print no ye wo mo printing ye pa e ma se wura wo dem a ye hu se ade no nice the same thing obi nso be print we be do on na abu kura ide efu enti ama me ne akrobeto ye ni abre pa se kwan bia ye be fa so a all the trainers na e pa no ombetime nya good hands work and good skills to demonstrate or to work with, you know, you better so.